You are watching Insane Mathematics. I am Yatendra Singh. I am here with one more interesting problem. What fraction is shaded if the hexagon is regular with equally spaced dots around its perimeter? So now in the solution part, what I did, I redraw this diagram and divide this regular hexagon in 24 equilateral triangle of equal area. Let us suppose area of each equilateral triangle is K. So area of triangle AGI is equals to area of triangle AIJ is equals to area of triangle JKB will be equal to K, and area of regular hexagon ABCDEF will be 24K. Now we can see triangle GAI and triangle GAH share same base AH AG, and they both triangle are in between same parallel lines. That means area of triangle AGI is equals to area of triangle AGH will be K. Now we can see triangle AIJ and triangle AMJ. Both triangles share same base AJ, and the height of triangle AJM will be 4 times the height of the triangle AJI. That means we can see area of triangle AJM will be 4 times the area of triangle AJI. In the same manner, we can say that means it will be equal to 4K. Now in the same manner, we can see triangle JBL and triangle JBK. The height of the triangle JBL will be 3 times of the height of the triangle JBK, and both triangles share same base JB. That means area of triangle JBL will be 3 times of area of triangle JBK. That means it will be equal to 3 times of K. Now we need to calculate the area of shaded portion. So area of shaded portion will be equals to area of triangle AGH plus area of triangle AJM plus area of triangle JBL. So area of triangle AGH is equals to K, area of triangle AJM equals to 4K, and area of triangle JBL is equals to 3K, and it will equals to 8K. Now we need to calculate area of shaded portion upon area of regular hexagon ABCDEF, and here it will be equals to 8K, and it will be equals to 24K, and it will be equals to 1/3. So 1/3 is correct.